Hello, you lovely people. This is me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Today's recipe is as fancy as the name itself: crispy thread chicken. Let's begin. I'm going to divide this recipe into three components. The first one is getting the threads in shape, and there's a trick for that and I'll show you what that is. The second step is marinating the chicken and literally crumbing it with the threads, and the third step is plating. But before that also comes frying. Deep frying, air frying, the choice is completely yours. Let's first begin with getting the threads in shape. For that, I'm using spring roll sheets. You can also use samosa patti. Choice is yours. Let's cut this like so. And we literally stack this up like so and cut this into juliennes. Keep cutting this and also simultaneously keep transferring this into a deep bowl, because this is the star of this recipe. These shreds or juliennes are done and ready. The thickness can really depend on how you like it or how you prefer it. I like it nice and fine, almost julienne-like, so I've kept it like that. You can also cut it literally like fettuccine pasta, slightly thicker. Choice is yours. The next step is to take boneless breast of chicken and slice them into thin strips. The spring roll threads are cut and ready. The chicken is cleaned, cut, washed and kept ready. The third step is making the marination of the chicken, and that is a tandoori-like marinade. Let's get cracking. I'm taking some dahi. I'm letting the water or the whey just get aside. To this, I'm adding in paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies. Beginning with some powder spices, garam masala. To this, I'm going to add turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. This will bring in that nice chicken tikka or tandoori-like color. And of course, the spice comes in from the green chilies. Let's add in salt as required. And finally, last but not the least, lemon juice. Ensure you remove all the seeds because you do not want surprises in your mouth. Let's mix this. Time to add in the pieces of chicken, rather the slices of chicken. Let's mix this well. Now this is mixed and done. The next step is to cover this in these beautiful threads. Press this nicely, ensure that all of this clings onto the chicken literally, and then you tap it to ensure it gets pasted to it. So that's how this is done and ready. Let's make some more. Our thread chicken is shaped and ready. Now the beauty of this is that this goes for a minimum of 15 minutes in the deep freezer, or keep it in the deep freezer till you're ready to fry this. When your guests come in, fry this crisp golden brown and see the magic. Let's fry now. Wait for nothing in life, this goes straight on the dinner table. With this, your crispy thread chicken is done and ready. And you know what? This goes best with tomato ketchup, Szechuan sauce, chili sauce, mayonnaise, tartar sauce. There's a whole wide world of dipping sauces. Go all out and impress your family and friends. This is me, Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.